The journey to getting your body shape back after giving birth actually begins before getting pregnant. In this video, I will be teaching you guys the tips and tricks that you can use so that when you finally give birth, you will be able to still have your body shape back. Hey lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you are subscribed. My name is Love John, and in this channel, I share with you guys everything that will build you up. So if this is something that you are interested in, then you should use the subscribe button and become a part of the Lovers family. Do you know there is a right breathing? And this right breathing is called diaphragmatic breathing, which is also called abdominal breathing or belly breathing. The first step to the journey of getting your body shape back after giving birth is actually breathing right. Let's quickly do a little exercise so we can be sure if we are breathing right or wrong. Place your hand on your tummy and then breathe in. If you are breathing in and your stomach is going in, you are not breathing right. If you're actually breathing right, the moment you suck in your breath, your stomach is supposed to expand, and that is what is called diaphragmatic breathing. And if you're breathing out, that means if you're exhaling, your stomach is supposed to go in. I know that you will think that when you are breathing in, you are supposed to bring your tummy in, and when you're breathing out, you're supposed to bring your tummy out, but that is a very wrong way of breathing. You have been conditioned to breathe like that. In fact, do you know the right breathing can actually burn fat and detoxify your body system? The second step to getting your body shape back is exercises. Don't run away from exercise. Trust me, exercises are really important. But I would advise that you start your exercises before you get pregnant. This is because the longer you do exercises, what you are doing is you're actually training the muscles, and it takes long time to train the muscles. You cannot say because you want to get something today, then you start today, then you expect that that thing will give you the result. It is not possible. Our muscles, they have to be trained for a very long time, and that is why it is important that you start these exercises way before you decide to get pregnant. I'm talking about when you are still dating or when you don't even have a boyfriend, like taking care of yourself even as a single person. And the muscles that you should concentrate on is your abs. Abs are short for abdominal muscles. Examples of exercises that actually helps the abdominal muscles are plank. Plank is very important. I love plank. Crunches, whether the reverse crunch or the normal crunch, leg raise, bed dog exercises. In fact, if you just go online and just write abdominal muscles exercises, you will definitely see examples of them. And these exercises can be done at home. When you begin to exercise, you will feel better, your mood will improve, you will be more confident, and by the time you are pregnant, your pelvic organs will be able to support your baby bump as it gets bigger. Do you even know that walking is an exercise? Some of us, we are so used to driving that we can actually drive into our toilet. If possible, we'll drive into our kitchen. Try and include walking in your daily routine. You can decide to just walk if it is not that far when you are trying to get something instead of Uber. Just try and include walking into your daily routine. Another tip that actually helps you to gain your body stature after giving birth is detoxification. And me, I love to use lime, and this is how I use it. I mix slime with water and I take it very early in the morning. In fact, the moment I wake up, it's either I drink water first or I just add lime into the water and I take it even on an empty stomach. What it does is that it improves your digestion, it detoxifies by cleansing, thereby increasing your energy level. And this is why I said you have to do these tips way before you decide to get pregnant or way before you are even married, because lime can also be used as birth control. Lime can cause irregularity in the production of your eggs. If you are going to be implementing this, which I think everyone should, it should be that you are not ready to get pregnant at the moment. But if you're ready to get pregnant, please stay away from using lime. But I used it before I got pregnant, even before I got wedded. And trust me when I say the impact is real. The final tip I have for you guys is to eat healthy. I know this sounds like a cliche, like eat healthy. You would think eating junks and all of those food are good. It is not. You have to be intentional about what you put into your body. You cannot just dump anything into your body. You cannot see your body as a garbage, because it is when you begin to think that your body is not a garbage that you start being intentional about what you want to take in, because anything you take in is just going to be dumped into your body. So check what you are consuming. What is it going to give to you? What vitamins are you taking from what you're about to eat? Is it a protein? Is it a carbohydrate? Are you taking more sugar? Once you start being careful about what you're taking, you will see the impact in your body. In your single days, I would advise that you take fruit. Fruit would really help you. Drink oranges, eat apples, bananas, cucumbers. I know most of us do not like all of those fruits, but imbibe it. Make orange juices, slice cucumbers on your rice. Don't just cook white rice like that. Put carrots and green beans in your white rice. Implementing little fruit ideas like that will really help you. Add garlic and ginger, add garlic to your stews. All of those herbs has their functions. You'll be surprised what impact those little things that you did before you got pregnant would have when you finally get pregnant. Now that we have learned that gaining your body shape actually begins before you get pregnant, not after you get pregnant, I have a question for you for this week. Why do you think women have difficulty in regaining their body stature? Let me know in the comment section. My last word for this week is taken from Proverbs 14 verse 23, and I'll be reading from the NIV version, and it says, all hard work brings a profit, but mere talk leads only to poverty. Make sure you like, comment and share. I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.